Hi friends, welcome to Fine Chef. Today I am going to show you an awesome recipe. It's yummy and delicious jar cake without oven. So let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, I am sieving 200 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Sieve the maida with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve 2 to 3 times with baking powder and baking soda. For this recipe, we need 3 eggs. So break it and add it into the bowl. Beat well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat again. After beating, I am adding 150 grams of powdered sugar. Beat well. Now I am adding 150 ml sunflower oil. Instead of sunflower oil, you can also add butter, but it should be at room temperature. Gradually add some maida and mix well. Use folding method. Tip number 1. Make sure that all the ingredients should be at room temperature. Tip number 2. Add the maida little by little. Do not overload. Tip number 3. While adding the maida, do not overmix. Tip number 4. If the consistency of the batter is too thick, you can add little bit of milk or water. Mix well. Divide this cake batter into 3 equal portions. Into the first bowl, add few drops of red gel color. Mix well. Now it's done. Before adding the batter into the pan, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Preheat the tawa for 5 minutes in high flame. You can also use iron dosa tawa for baking the cake. Top of the preheated tawa, I am going to place this pan to bake this cake batter. Place the pan under the preheated tawa. Grease it with some oil. Then I am placing a butter paper. I have cut the butter paper according to the size of my pan. Grease some oil on the top of the butter paper. Pour the cake batter into the pan. While baking, make sure that you keep the flame in low. Close with the lid and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep it aside. Then into the second bowl, add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well. Place the pan under the preheated tawa. Grease it with some oil. Then I am placing a butter paper. I have cut the butter paper according to the size of my pan. Grease some oil on the top of the butter paper. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Close with the lid and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. While baking, make sure that you keep the flame in low. In a bowl, I have taken 25 grams of grated dark chocolate. Instead of dark chocolate, you can also add 1½ tablespoon of cocoa powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon of hot milk. Now I am going to add this mixture into the third bowl. Mix well. Follow the same process. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Tap it and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. While baking, make sure that you keep the flame in low. Now I am removing the butter paper. For this recipe, I am taking this jar. You can take any type of jar according to your wish. I have cut all the prepared cakes like this. Follow the same process. I have cut all the prepared cakes like this. Take half cup of whipping cream and beat it. For the cake to be soft and fluffy, follow my procedure and tips. Now I am adding the whipped cream into the piping bag. In a bowl, I have taken half cup of milk. Into that, I am adding 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Make some holes on the prepared cakes using a fork because I have baked the cake in a pan. Set the cake into a jar. Add the milk mixture. Instead of milk mixture, you can also add sugar syrup. Now I am adding the whipped cream. Then keep another layer of cake. Repeat this process. You can decorate your own jar cakes as per your wish. Here are the absolutely delicious jar cakes are ready. For the cake to be soft and fluffy, follow my procedure and tips. Please do try this recipe and post your feedback in comment section. If you enjoy my video, just click the like button and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.